So you're ready to renovate and you have a budget, but you want to maximize it. You don't want to waste money doing the wrong thing. Well, I've been doing this for 25 years, and in this video, I'm going to teach you where to spend and where to save to get maximum bang for your buck.
Hey guys, this is Chris from The Good Room. Today, I want to talk to you about renovations, specifically where should you spend, splash out, and where should you save? Okay, my very first one is doors and windows. Don't go cheap. Look at the difference between these two doors. They're both from Bunnings. The one on the left, I think, is about 80 bucks, and the one on the right is from Corinthian. It's $240, but look at the difference. And most houses only have maybe 8, 9, 10 doors. So over the course of a renovation, we're talking about $1,000. It's not a huge difference, but it makes a huge difference to the aesthetic. Same thing goes for front doors. You only get one chance to make a first impression. So go a bit designy. My second tip is feature walls. And the reason is it's just a feature. It's not something you have to spend money on that goes throughout the whole house. It's a limited space. So think about doing wallpaper, stone, handmade tile, or even timber. And if you do need to save a bit of money, there's really inexpensive options for wallpaper. And let's say you wanted this timber look. There are laminates that look so real. They're amazing and not too expensive. Lighting, definitely the most important element of all. I look at this space on the left and I feel sad. God, they actually didn't even chintz out. They spent a lot of money. There's cove lighting, lots of downlights, but too many. They're too cold. They just don't feel warm and inviting. Make sure you get your lighting right, whether that's by adding beautiful pendant lights, wall lights, which not only look decorative and like jewelry for your bathroom, but they create diffuse light that makes your face look beautiful. This kitchen is perfect. It's got decorative pendant lighting, just enough downlighting and under cabinet lighting, all in a nice warm tone. Okay, that was fun. Now, where are we going to save? First one is a little designer trick, and that's carpet. Now, you can buy a less expensive carpet. It doesn't matter whether it's Berber or cut pile, but buy the most expensive, thickest underlay you can get, because when you put it under your less expensive carpet, it will feel still luxurious. Tapware. Now, I'm not saying go super cheap, like we don't want leaky, rusty taps, but I find that there's not a huge difference between the affordable taps and the really expensive ones. Look at this on the left. Looks great, right? You can get that for $269 or you can pay $1,500. And do you reckon anybody who walks into that bathroom is going to be able to tell the difference? I don't think so. Wall tile. Now, specifically, I mean your main wall tile or your floor tile. What you do is you splash out on a feature, but then all of the other walls, of which there's going to be probably at least 3 of them, you could put a 15 square meter tile in there. Look at this floor, divine, and the rest of the bathroom's quite plain. You can do the American thing, which is just going halfway up the wall, save a ton of money, put a feature paint and some art, looks great. Or you can just not put tile on walls at all if they're not going to get splashed, put paint, wallpaper, etc. All right, I encourage you to watch the full video, which has all 14 tips, and we go into a lot more detail. We also have other videos like what the 10 biggest mistakes my clients make when they're renovating, and they're all on our website, thegoodroom.net. And of course, we love to socialize and the opportunity to get to know you, and we are at all the usual haunts. On Instagram, we are at _goodroom. Don't forget the underscore. On Facebook, we are at The Good Room Design. And within Facebook, we have a really cool private Facebook group, which we encourage you to join because it's there that we actually chat. People post pictures, people post tips. I do sort of extensive how-to videos and I comment on other people's photos. So it's a bit of an opportunity for some free interior design. And on Pinterest, we've got loads of cool pictures on The Good Room. Hope to see you there.